logistic regression is nothing but summation plus activation. Okay, so where summation is mx plus b, and then activation is this. So this is logistic regression. So in this example we saw a sigmoid function, but there are several other logistic regression functions that are used, which are called tan h, relu, and things like that. We don't have to worry about it right now. We just enough to understand the intuition behind it. So far what you have seen is y is equal to mx plus b, and the activation function we pass it to get the actual output, right? Okay, so this is basically represented. The activation function is generally sigmoid type. So this is, let's say f of z. It is represented as 1 plus e raised to minus z, and it looks something like this. So this is f of z, 0.5, 0, and this is z. Okay, so basically the sigmoid function is used to squish the output of a normal equation, which is mx plus b, because this output can go in any range, let's say between minus infinity to plus infinity, right? But this activation function, as you can see, it restricts the, as z tends to be a very large value, infinity, the f of z tends to be 1. Also, if z tends to minus infinity, f of z tends to be minus 1. So it basically restricts, it tends to be 0. So it basically restricts, squishes the value of output variable between 0 to 1, and this can be represented as probability, right?